Hi, I'm Glenn from Agile Equipment Hire and IQ Direct. Today we're talking about the DUOP mop system. It is the perfect solution for deep cleaning not just floors, but walls and ceilings as well. With its ball and joint design, pressure can be applied against the whole surface of the pad, unlike your typical T-bar design, which can only be applied against a small section of the cloth head. With a larger contact area, you'll be able to clean surfaces at a much quicker and efficient rate. This here is the DUOP All-in-One Set, which comes with an extendable pole, short pole, 3 different heads, and microfiber pads to go with it, 12 in total. The DUOP mop can be used to wipe down hard-to-reach surfaces by extending the pole to the required length. Each microfiber pad is machine washable, and we have additional pads for purchase. The ball and joint design allows for quick and easy swiveling while in use, to allow you to seamlessly change direction as needed. If no pole is needed, simply use it handheld as shown here. Each pad has color-coded tags to avoid cross-contamination. Simply cut off the colors that are not required. As restorers ourselves, we find these to work well across our different jobs. This includes fire damage, restoration, mold remediation, general house cleaning, and commercial cleaning. If you'd like to know more, feel free to check it out on our website at iqdirect.com.au or give us a ring on 1300 092 647. Thanks for watching and have a great day.